Right, part A, I want to integrate 8 minus x to the power half dx, which is 8 minus x, increase the power by 1, so that's 3 over 2, divide by the power is multiplied by the reciprocal, and then I need to multiply by the derivative of 8 minus x, which is negative 1. So it is negative and then plus c. Part B, using integration by parts or otherwise. Well, let's use integration by parts. And I know that my dv by dx is going to be that root 8 minus x, because it would make sense since we've just integrated it to be able to use that in this part here. So dv by dx is going to be the 8 minus x to the half. So we know our v, it's the minus 2/3 8 minus x to the 3 over 2, and du by dx is 1. So integration by parts, uv, so multiplying these two together, it's minus 2/3 of x minus 2, and then I've got 8 minus x to the 3 over 2, and then it's minus the integral of du by dx times v, so that's minus minus, that's plus the integral of 2/3 8 minus x to the 3 over 2 dx, which is minus 2/3 x minus 2, 8 minus x to the 3 over 2, and integrating I'm going to get 8 minus x raised to the power, so 5 over 2, divide by the power, multiply by the reciprocal is 4/15, and multiply by the derivative, so it's negative again, plus c. So that is the integral. I dislike these ones where they make you show that it's equal to a certain thing, so I need to equal negative 2/5 x plus 2. Okay, so let's try just bringing that whole thing out. So if what's easier? Okay, let's get rid of these negatives. So if I do negative 2/3 and swap this one round, so that's got rid of the negative there, to the 3 over 2. Yeah, and because I'm going to need 8 minus x to the 3 over 2, we're just going to split this for a second. So this is the same as 8 minus x to the 3 over 2 times 8 minus x to the 2 over 2, or 8 minus x to the 1. But if we do, instead of 8 minus x, if we do x minus 8, we can change that sign as well in front. So this is looking a little bit nicer. Now let's take out the 8 minus x to the 3 over 2, and I'm left with 2/3 of 2 minus x plus 4/15 of x minus 8. It's going to be a big plus c on the end, but right, let's have a look at what we've got in here. So we've got 8 minus x to the 3 over 2. I'm going to probably expand this, probably want things over 15 to make it easier. So that's 4 over 3, or 20 over 15, minus 2x over 3, or 10x over 15, plus 4x over 15, minus 4 times 8, 32 over 15, plus c. Hopefully this is going to start looking nice now. So I've got 8 minus x to the 3 over 2. In here I've got negative 12 over 15, the 20 minus the 32, and I've also got negative 10 plus 4, so negative 6x over 15. Oh, my dodgy plus c. So now what was it? What was the fraction I wanted just to take out? Negative 2/5. So if I take out 2/5, still got my 8 minus x to the 3 over 2. Take out negative 2/5, so that's going to be 3 6 over 3, so that's 2. And 6 divided by 2, so that's going to be 3 over 3 is 1, and it's negative, so it's plus x plus c. Oh, good. Which is what we wanted. X plus 2, 2 plus x, same thing. I'm not going to change that. Hence, find the integral between 7 and 4. So, final part then would be, I've got my integral 2/5 8 minus x to the 3 over 2, 2 plus x. Of course, between 7 and 4, I just need to substitute in the value of 7 and then the value of 4. Let's hope that this is a nice one without a calculator. So I have minus 2/5 times 1 times 9, and then that's all going to be subtracting minus 2/5 times, right, 8 minus 4 is 4, square root of 4 is 2, 2 cubed is 8, times 6. So what's that? 9 times 2, so that's negative 18 over 5. Minus minus is a plus. 8 times 6, 3, 8 is 24. 48 times 2 is 96 over 5, which is 78 over 5.